In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Garmin Connect app. If you're getting a Garmin watch or fitness device set up, this is the companion app you'll use to bring everything together on your phone. It helps you sync your device, view your activity stats, and manage training all in one place. So let's walk through the download process clearly and safely. On an Android phone, start by opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android and the safest place to get the software you need. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top. Type Garmin Connect. Exactly like that. You'll see several results, but the one you want is called Garmin Connect, published by Garmin. Double-check the developer name so you know you're getting the real app. When you've found the correct listing, tap it to open the app's page, then press Install. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space so the download completes smoothly. If your phone asks for permissions during installation, that's normal for fitness and Bluetooth features. After the installation finishes, the app will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. That's all you need to do to get Garmin Connect onto your Android device. From here, it's the hub for your Garmin experience. Once set up with your watch or fitness tracker, it will sync your activities automatically, so your runs, rides, and daily steps show up without extra work. You can review heart rate trends, sleep insights, and detailed workout summaries, and you can create custom workouts or follow training plans tailored to your goals. If you use other fitness services, Garmin Connect can link with apps like Strava and MyFitnessPal, so your data moves where you need it. A few important safety and compatibility notes. Only download Garmin Connect from the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone. Avoid third-party or random APK websites, even if they promise a faster download or an older version. Those sources can be unsafe or out of date. Also, some devices running Android Go Edition may not support Garmin Connect properly, so if you can't find the app in the Play Store or it won't install, your phone might not be compatible. That's it. You've now learned how to download the Garmin Connect app the right way, with a couple of pro tips to keep things secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting more from your Garmin device with Garmin Connect.